A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Namrata, your Bagdara Farms consultant. I'm live with all of you today again, and the topic for today's live is airborne respiratory infections. This is very common these days. Everybody is under the weather, and there are different kind of airborne infections which are there, which are causing havoc on one's health, and that's what I'm going to be discussing today. And also, we'll also be telling how organic supplementation, how organic treatments and here at Bagdara Farms, like we always promote organic therapy, we have a supplement by the name Termflu, which we recommend for prevention and treatment of any kind of airborne respiratory infections, any kind of flus, any kind of bacterial infections. So let me begin by telling you a little bit about what are airborne respiratory infections. Simple airborne respiratory infections are ailments that are caused or infections that are caused simply due to breathing, right? So airborne diseases can spread from one person to another through mediums of sneezing, coughing, talking, spewing nasal and throat secretions into the air. Now, some viruses or bacteria take flight and hang in the air, while others may land on people on other surfaces, right? So this viral infection can happen in any form. It can either be airborne or it can be on the surface or it can line up to even on your clothes, right? So when you breathe in the airborne pathogenic organisms, they take up residence inside you. So you can also pick up germs when you touch a surface that happens to be infected, right? When you touch, and after that, when you touch your eyes, your nose, or your mouth, that infection, the viral load can get inside you, which can further make you sick, right? So because these diseases they travel air, so they are hard to control, right? So there are some which are caused due to direct contact, some which are caused due to indirect contact. Now, direct contact spread can be from person to person or through droplet spread. And indirect contact spread can be by airborne transmission, by insect bites, contaminated objects, food and drinking water, animal to person contact. They also say there's animal reservoirs, that is zoonosis, in which diseases are transferred from animals to people, right? This is also a way of indirect contact spread of airborne respiratory infections, and also can be your environment, that means the water and vegetation containing infectious organisms. Now there are types of airborne diseases. Now the types of airborne diseases are many. Let's begin with one with which the whole world is facing this kind of airborne virus, and that is the coronavirus or COVID-19, like we call it. It also includes common cold, influenza, which is contagious for 5 to 7 days, chickenpox, caused due to varicella or zoster virus. So it takes up to 21 days after exposure for the disease to develop. Mumps, it is also a very contagious disease. This is also an airborne problem. You can spread it before symptoms appear and can go up to 5 days after. Can be measles, whooping cough, which is also known as pertussis. This respiratory infection causes swelling of the airways that result in a persistent hackling cough. It's at the height of contagiousness for about 2 weeks after the coughing starts. So worldwide, they say there are around 24.1 million plus cases of this problem, that is whooping cough, also known as pertussis. Also, a type of airborne disease is also tuberculosis, diphtheria. Diphtheria, this disease, it causes injuries in the respiratory system and damages your heart, kidneys, and nerves. Now, what are the symptoms? Symptoms are many. I'm going to be just listing out a few of the symptoms which are there. It can be coughing, it can be sneezing, congestion, runny nose, inflammation of your nose, throat, sinus, and lungs, sore throat, swollen glands, headache, body aches, loss of appetite, fever, and fatigue. So these are few of the symptoms which are there of airborne respiratory infections. Now, infectious diseases are transmitted from one person to another, right, by direct or indirect contact. Certain types of viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi can also cause infectious diseases. Now, malaria, measles, and respiratory illnesses are examples of infectious diseases, right? Now, simple preventive measures such as frequent hand washing can cut down on disease transmission, which we all very well know, but this is something I just want to still talk about with all of you. Now, what do you do to prevent an ongoing airborne, disease? How do you prevent from spreading it? Simple, although it's important to completely avoid airborne pathogens. There are some things that can go to the lower your chances of getting sick. So these are few of the things which I'm going to be lifted out, which can make you more immune towards this problem, or can help you in taking care of the problem in a much better way. Avoid close contact with people who have symptoms or diseases. Stay home when you are sick. Don't let vulnerable people be around you. Don't come in close contact with people who are vulnerable. If you must be around others, wear a face mask to prevent spreading and breathing in germs. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Use a tissue or your elbow to cut down on the possibility of transmitting germs on your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly for around at least 20 seconds to be precise. Avoid touching your face or other people with unwashed hands. Now we all know it is very important for us to have a strong immunity so that the body can fight any kind of infection or disease in a much better way. Why? Because immunity is your body's ability to prevent the invasion or attack of pathogens or foreign substances or foreign invaders which attack the system by means of bacteria, virus, etc. And when people are exposed to these, you tend to fall sick, right? So airborne respiratory infections can be taken care of, can be treated and prevented naturally here at Bagdara Farms with a supplement, term flu. Term flu is an organic supplement made out of curcumin. I'm going to be showing the name of the product on the screens. Term flu is the product which is made out of 100% organic curcumin. Curcumin is a component found in turmeric. We do not extract the curcumin. We give the whole powder as it is, because the whole powder has many other components which have medicinal and pharmacological abilities which can help with prevention and treatment of an ailment in a better way. Now, term flu has various pharmacological medicinal properties. Few of the pharmacological properties I'm going to be listing out. It's an antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory, natural analgesic, antibiotic, antibacterial, uh, antibiotic properties also it has. It is an immunity booster. It is anti-mutagenic, so anti-cancerous, anti-carcinogenics. I can keep going on with the list because it has 287 plus pharmacological abilities which can help with prevention and treatment of more than 856 ailments in the human body. You can view more details about the product term flu from our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com. On this website, under the Our Product section, we have the product term flu. You can get all details about its specialities, its ingredients, its properties, its composition, and the procedure of using it. It is very important to use it the correct way. You have to prepare a tea, or you can take it in milk. You can either take it with water or milk, but preferably with water because water is easier to be digested. But please do make sure to make the make the concoction in a proper way, because if you prepare it the right way, only then the product will be potent enough to show results on your body by being active, right? The curcumin needs to be activated. That is why there is a procedure which we tell you by which you have to prepare this drink. You have to take 2 cups of water. To that, add half teaspoon of this product, a pinch of black pepper powder, and boil it till the time the quantity gets reduced to half. That means from 2 cups to 1 cup. Now you can either have it as it is after that, or you can add a little bit of honey or jaggery to sweeten up the taste. If you think you are doing pepper doesn't suit you, see, pepper is added to increase the absorption rate of curcumin because curcumin is low in bioavailability, right? So if you think pepper doesn't suit you, then please put any edible oil or few drops of ghee to your drink and then have it, right? If you do it like that, it will get absorbed and digested in your body in a better way. All these details are available on the website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com. It's flashing on your screens. One bottle is a course for 20 days. It has 60 grams of powder in it. We recommend a minimum course of 2 months to begin with, because it takes 4 to 8 weeks for the curcumin to reach a threshold where it can start getting activated in your body to show results. It has many things to be done inside the body by reducing inflammation and oxidative strain. So for that, it is important to use it for minimum 40 days to 2 months. Now, if you don't have any problems and are just taking it for immunity, still take the first 2 months course properly. Then you can take it as per your own convenience. If you see, we recommend it to be taken every day. But if you feel that you have nothing and you're just taking it for preventive measures, then also try taking it at least once a day. But for the initial course, it is recommended for a minimum of period of 2 months, right? For more information, you can visit our website, which is flashing on the screen. That is www.bagdarafarms.com, or you can give us a call on our number, which is 9560254646. We're a team of consultants available on call, message, and WhatsApp on this number to address to your query, to listen to your problems, and to give you the best solution for the same. We are available on call. You can give us a call. We give free consultation by understanding your problems and giving you the best probable solution for the same with our organic supplements here at Bagdara Farm. We are there on different portals of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. as Bagdara Farms. You can visit any of these platforms, view the various videos which get uploaded there regarding different ailments. A lot of our consultants come live and talk about the different problems and how organic therapy or supplementation or complementary therapy can help with preventing and treating various ailments. For more information, there are two portals for which you can either visit the website or give us a call on our number, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Right? We also have a certification section. The certification section shows that we are certified by USA FDA, FSSAI. We also have a lab report which shows that the curcumin percentage in our products is between 11 to 19%. Please understand that if you're taking a curcumin supplement, make sure that the curcumin percentage is high. It is non-GMO, that is, it is not genetically modified. It is 100% organic. It is free of chemicals and fertilizers, and you should know where the turmeric is being grown, because a particular land type, soil type, and climate is required to growing, for growing turmeric. And it is very important that you take into consideration all these points before ordering an organic supplement, right? So with that, I come to the end of this live session. I hope you all stay safe, keep your immunities boosted, stay healthy, stay robust, and keep following us here at Bagdara Farms and using our supplements for better health and wellness. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.